your turn to tell us what you brought with you.
Yes, let me show you. Hi, from Dominica in the Eastern Caribbean. We are about to finish the Waitukubuli National Trail. Yeah, a few more miles to walk, maybe one.
And behind us we have lined up a little bit what we have had with us in our backpacks.
And maybe that can help you on packing for your tropical hiking adventure.
Okay, let's do it.
This video is part 2 in which I share what I brought on our 12-day jungle hike on the Caribbean island of Dominica. This was not our first thru hike, but our first tropical thru hike. In the previous video, we went through Jonatan's backpack, who after hiking thousands of miles, including the Pacific Crest Trail, knows what to bring. Now we go through my kit and I share what I brought and what I probably should have left out. Enjoy and remember to subscribe for more adventure videos from the wild. We also made a film about this legendary hike, which you can find on my channel. Yes, let me show you. So I had this backpack, which was originally bought as a backpack and used as well for film gear and photo gear. So we had this, and we just took the film and photo gear out and I used it for the trail. It has been a really good backpack. I don't know how many liters, maybe 50. Very comfy. This has been a little bit sweaty sometimes, but it has been good. I have the same mat, which I really love. It's super light. I found it secondhand on the secondhand marketplace and I can highly recommend it. A good night of sleep is not to be underestimated. Summer sleeping bag, a simple one from the Decathlon, has been serving me well. Only up in the mountains I was a little bit cold sometimes, but nothing too major. I also have, this is a sailing jacket. It's what I had.
Good.
Cool thing.
Yeah, after how many hours on segment 9?
I don't know, 2 days.
Yeah, almost, yeah.
It's a little bit heavy, but it did protect me for the rain and it also served as my pillow. Yeah, also I've been a lucky princess. Actually, you have been carrying it. So. In terms of jackets, if you have it, a simple wind waterproof jacket would be much better because this is heavy, but it's also, you know, you gotta use what you have at hand. What else did I bring? I brought, this is a rain cover for the backpack. That's been very useful. It kept things dry, as well as just a simple garbage bag in which I put everything. I brought one leggings that I used once for the cold and twice on like some trails that had a lot of razor grass. There are some Dominica tattoos when I was not wearing the leggings.
Razor grass. Why? Yeah, because it's kind of like it has some sort of thorns here and they stick to you, like, because you can see and then they cut you.
Segment 5. Was good to have. I brought a sarong, which I didn't use as much as I thought I would. I could probably have left it at home. I did use it once as a towel and as a pillow, make it a little bit softer around. I brought a top and I'm wearing one. One would have been enough. So this was unnecessary to bring, as well as the bikini. I brought it, no, I used it one time. Not necessary. I brought like a old tea towel. I used it as a pee rack. Not as much as I probably should have. What else? Yeah, charging cables for the camera and the phone. A little wiper thingy for the lens for the camera. I had 2 t-shirts, one to sleep in. I only use this one for sleeping. This I've been wearing pretty much the whole trail. This I could have left at home as well. Yeah, what else in terms of clothes? I had a shorts, fast drying shorts, which was really good to have. Underwear, and I actually brought 5 underwears. The rest is drying over there. I probably could have done with less and washed it on the way. I washed it on the way now as well. But it was really nice to just be able to have dry, clean underwear. I brought this hat, but then on the way I bought this amazing hat made in Dominica. So after that, this one served as the camera protector. One fleece vest, which I've been using a lot. It's light. It has some pockets. It was also part of my pillow. I had 2 water bottles, which we just refilled in the rivers. I actually loved drinking the river water because it has minerals and all of that. But you do want to fill it up high up. The town water was fine too to drink, but it has a bit of a chemical taste. So when that was the case, we also have some like lemon essential oil to make the water taste nice, some extra vitamins, which were not that much necessary on this trail because we found pretty much every day lots of wild fruits. Well, I want that one, that red one.
Yeah.
Thank you. Wild raspberry?
Yeah, so wild.
So, just to finish this row, sunglasses as well. We have Garmin inReach Mini. It's this satellite GPS tracker. So mom could always know where we are. And because in some parts there was no signal or anything for a couple of days. It's a good safety thing to have. We have a spare battery for the camera. Also a head torch. Then I have a menstruation cup to not create any waste in that department. We brought some tape for the blisters.
So what's going on here?
I'm putting an extra layer over my feet. I got quite a few blisters of having the wet socks and wet shoes, pretty much all the time. So this helps. We brought some tape.
And then, I made some toothpaste, which we've been using. It's very lightweight and nature-friendly. Toothbrush. I brought a file to clean the nails. Could have maybe left that at home or use it more often. Toothpicks. Tongue scraper, which I can highly recommend. I also brought a little bit of sun cream, which I used on two days, I think, and it was kind of helpful, but it is kind of heavy. I mean, relatively, so not that essential. And some pure coconut castor rose oil, which I love for hydrating my skin sometimes. And feet. I've been using it for feet massage as well, which has been really good. I brought a notebook and a pen, which I did not use. Could have left it at home. A spare hair tie, which I did not use. And a clip, which has been very useful for tying things to the backpack. So, altogether, it has been pretty light. Also, I've been very lucky with you carrying the tent and the food.
What about your shoes?
Shoes? So, simple trail runners from the Decathlon. And also I have 2 pairs of socks.
And blisters?
Not anymore. I had 2 days blisters going on, but actually they healed. So that was really nice. I think if there's like one thing I would add to this pack, it's a portable battery pack or charger, because there were not that many opportunities to charge. We did not have battery every day. So we missed out on shooting some videos for you as well as tracking device. Is there anything else you would add to the pack that we did not bring? I think we packed pretty well.
We had an umbrella with us.
Still have about 2.5 hours of daylight. We had an umbrella with us, which was really good. I used it as a stick for the sun, for the rain, but it broke when we tried to grab coconuts, and yeah, it was not the best quality, so we had to say goodbye of that one. For some things we invested earlier because we've been doing some other hikes. For other things we really used what we got. We jumped off on this island from a sailing boat. Wanted to kind of pack for a multi kind of adventure. We didn't pack particularly for this hike. You don't need like specific stuff for everything. This has served us very well, I think.
So this is all we need, huh, in front of us?
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, guys, this is all you need. And then of course, a little bit of beach, a little bit of palm tree, some islands, some water, and a sunset.
Sunset and some wood to make the campfire.
Oh yeah, we're gonna make a campfire now.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps to prepare you for your next adventure. And if you're curious what this jungle hike was like, check out the film 12 Days on Foot, which you can find on my channel. Subscribe for more tips and inspiration on cultivating a slow travel lifestyle in tune with nature.
It's been such a special adventure, huh? And we did the full thing. Like, we were not sure in the beginning if it was possible to walk everything. We haven't heard about anyone recently doing it. And we did it. And yeah, that's beautiful.
Good morning.
Good morning. We just woke up here. It was our last camping night on the Waitukubuli National Trail.